I'm going to show you how to make a really good chili recipe with leftover brisket. It's great when it's chilly outside, and it'll make your significant other feel like that all those hours in the backyard wasn't a waste of time. One of the condiments that we're going to make with our brisket chili is going to be chili sour cream with lime juice. Super easy. Fresh lime juice. We're just going to squeeze it into the sour cream that's in this bowl. And then to season it, you can use a smoked chili powder. You could use, your favorite barbecue rub. Today, I'm using my everything seasoning. There's no sugar in there. There's some smoked paprika in there. There's a little bit of sumac in there, so it's a little tart. But anyways, it's just a flavored sour cream. And I'm just gonna add about 1 tablespoon to 1 cup of sour cream. And I'm just gonna, mix it up till it's well combined. Once we make that brisket chili, we're just gonna put a little dollop of this. We will garnish with another wedge of lime, just to give it a little pop. And you can do this to taste, but generally speaking, it's 1 cup sour cream to 1 tablespoon of your smoked chili powder. All right. So just refrigerate it till it's ready to use. I'll put it in a container, pop a lid on it, and just chill it, and that's it. Super easy. This bacon is really special. I would tell you where you could get it, but you know what would have to happen after that. So to make this brisket chili, I've got about 2 cups, maybe a little heavy, of some leftover brisket. I've got bacon, I've got a little bit of oil, I've got some diced onions, some diced bell peppers, sliced garlic, canned tomato paste, chipotle and adobo, reserve some of the adobo sauce. Got some smoked chili powder, brown sugar, black pepper, salt, beef stock, and bay leaves. So my bacon's cooking in the oil. I'm adding some diced yellow onion. Give it a stir. I'm gonna go check the football score. I'll be right back. Not really. I'm not even gonna look. That was garlic slivers. All right, so we just got some chipotle. Tomato paste, some canned tomatoes, some smoked chili powder, some salt, some black pepper, and I'm gonna plop. And now, the most important part, we're gonna add some leftover brisket. You wanna see the beer coming in close? Oh, look at this bubbly goodness. Now, a little beef stock. Look at that. And we're just gonna let that simmer till all the flavors come together. Because the brisket was already cooked, it's tender. If you make too much, it'll freeze really well. Brisket, the gift that just keeps on giving. Take that leftover brisket, make a nice, beautiful chili, have your friends over, watch your favorite ball game. Bon appetit.